Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have another HEB grocery haul for you, as well as another quick and easy dinner idea. We've been all about quick and easy lately because we've been so busy with homeschool and everything else. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out my channel. Also, if you've been enjoying these videos and for some reason you haven't already, make sure to go down below and hit that red subscribe button. It only takes a second and I appreciate it more than you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and let's get into it. So this morning it was a little bit chilly and I had to turn on the heater, so the boys wanted something hot for breakfast. So I made them some maple pecan oatmeal. What do you want? Shh. You want your breakfast? You hungry? Are you hungry? Are you Spider-Man today? Not you.
Oh, where's the mask?
I don't know. It's right there on the table.
Will you please put it on? My hands are too slippery.
Let me see. Spider-Man. That means you can get all your schoolwork done with your spidey senses, right? You don't have any spidey senses. Why can't you get in there? Tell me why. Show me. Time for school.
Okay, just let me make this last one.
Really quick. Y'all want to help me have a yard sale soon, boys? Whatever stuff of yours you sell, you can buy something new with it. Yeah? Angus, will you quit, please? We get it. You're happy. Okay, but you're loud. Y'all are crazy. I love you. I don't know, but are you sure you're going to be able to write?
Yes.
You might have to put a grippy thing on your pencil, huh?
It's a creepy.
The squishy things. So your pencil doesn't slide around in your hand.
Look at this. It's all
Awesome.
coming out of the boat.
That's really good. I like it.
Which one is purple, Mom?
What do you mean which one is purple? You know your colors? You're silly. Do you need me to put it on for you?
Yeah, my hands are too slippery.
Can you grip it now? You sound like the evil villain, not like Spider-Man. Alright, what are we doing today? Angus, I don't want to play with the football. Nailed it. Ooh, nails on a chalkboard. Can you? You can't do that with that on. You can't see, silly. Alright. Do all that you can to live in peace with everyone. Can you give me the broccoli? Right there. Yep. in the basket. Enjoying this boy. Okay, so we just ran to HEB real quick. And I'm going to get this done really fast because everyone's starving and we need to eat lunch. So, we needed some more paper towels, so we got those. I was out of fabric softener. We got some more dish soap, and Tucker picked out the Snow Angel one. We got some more freezer bags for chicken and stuff in the freezer. For produce, we got a bag of apples. And I needed some big potatoes for baked potatoes for one meal. And the 4-count tray of these is, I think, $3.98. So I got 4 big ones. Well, 2 really big ones and 2 little bit smaller ones for my stomach is growling. I got 3 other potatoes for ham and potato chowder we're going to make. So I got 7 for less than the price of the 4-pack. We grabbed another Caesar salad kit to go with the dinner, and I got some more baby spinach. Some more tomatoes for salads and just for snacks. And then I got a loaf of bread for sandwiches. I wanted some of these. I was just going to get whole wheat tortillas, but they had a coupon where if you got these carb sense ones, you got these multigrain thin rounds for free. So I got both of these for $3-ish, a little bit less. So that was a good deal. For cold stuff, got the boys some more Go-Gurts. Tucker picked out the blueberry and strawberry. We got some cinnamon waffles. And then we're going to make Dairy Queen at home one night. We're going to make some steak fingers and fries and gravy. And usually I'll just make like regular Texas toast. The loaf of Texas toast. But we thought garlic bread sounded better, so we're going to make that. I got some hazelnut creamer. I'm almost out of my caramel coffee, and I'm just going to have regular coffee, so I got a flavored one. We got some fries to go with the, what did I just say? Steak fingers. Some broccoli for our chowder. Corn on the cob to go with some wings we're going to put on the smoker. We got some cubed ham for our chowder. And some sharp cheddar. Is that for the chowder? What is that for?
That is for the lemon pepper.
Oh, yeah. We're making lemon pepper chicken helper. So that's for that. We should make that tonight. That sounds good. With the salad.
Yeah.
Is that what we had to go with, salad? I gotta look at my meal plan. I don't know where I put it. We got some Gouda. That's for the chowder, right?
Yes.
I don't even... My brain is broken.
I figured it'd be like easy melt.
Yeah, better than Velveeta, but
Salad
still
with the
melts
lemon pepper.
good. So that worked out perfect. So lemon pepper chicken tonight, I guess. I got some string cheese and pepperoni just to snack on. I wanted to get some more of the turkey sticks I like, but HEB doesn't sell any, only Walmart does. So I just got some pepperoni. Got some Colby Jack cheese for the boys for bologna sandwiches and for any sandwich. I still have turkey in the fridge. Got some sour cream for baked potatoes. An 18-count of eggs. My stomach is growling so loud, I bet everyone can hear it. Last time we made breaded beef burritos, we used fajita meat, and it turned out really good. And I told Adam they'd be good just as steak fingers with gravy, so that's what we're going to use to make those. Because this is still pretty much whole, you can slice it as big as you want. We got a big pack of chicken for one meal, I think. And then the rest is going to go in the freezer. We got a big bag of wings. Half of these is for a dinner, and then half will go in the freezer. And then they were completely out of heavy cream because of all the Thanksgiving madness for our chowder, so we just got some evaporated milk, and we'll make a roux. Got the boys some more mandarin oranges and applesauce. We needed chicken broth for the chowder, and I just went ahead and got 2 because it seems like we always need chicken broth at some point. Some bacon bits for salads, and with a coupon we got these free, so I got the seasoned ones this time. Tucker wanted some more Cheez-Its, And then for cereal, we got some HEB brand Captain Crunch. So Tucker was in the store helping me while Dad ran to the phone store to try to return our phones. So he was a big help. And then Dad came back and picked us up. And that's everything we got. It took a very long time because of Thanksgiving craziness, but spent just under $100. And we got everything we need for the week. And some more. Okay, for the meal plan, we're going to make some smoked wings on the smoker, obviously, with some corn on the cob and baked potatoes. Then we're going to make Dairy Queen at home, some steak fingers, fries, toast and gravy. Then we're going to make that lemon pepper chicken helper with a salad on the side. And then we have ham and potato chowder with some bread. I still have some bread dough in the freezer. Ignore that. That's for Thanksgiving. I didn't buy that stuff yet. So those are our 4 planned meals, but then we have a bunch of stuff left over to throw together some more. And we still have, we made all of these except this chicken bacon ranch pull-apart bread from last week, so we still have that to make too. So here's what they decided they wanted. Tucker has grapes and cucumbers and Cheez-Its and a blueberry yogurt. Garrett has grapes, cucumbers, some pickle Pringles, pepperoni, and a blueberry yogurt. What do you think? Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks good. Can you please open this? I will do it.
Yum, yum, yum.
For my lunch, I just melted some cheddar cheese onto one of those low-carb tortillas, and then I'm adding on a little bit of the leftover pistachio chicken. Then I'll top this off with some of the sweet Vidalia onion dressing, which came out a little bit too fast, but that's okay. A little bit of Tony's Creole seasoning, and some spinach. After lunch, I had leftover dishes that I had taken out of the fridge, and our lunch dishes, and breakfast, so I needed to get the kitchen all cleaned up so I could hang out with everybody for a little bit before dinner. So to start off our homemade chicken helper, we have 2 chicken breasts that we just cut into cubes, and we're going to cook these in our skillet with a tablespoon of butter and add some salt and pepper. Then we're going to add in a whole bunch of other seasonings, and I'll have these listed on the screen, and I'll also have a recipe for you down in the description box.
Parsley. Yeah.
You want this one by itself?
Yeah, and put on it. Last resort. Garlic.
If the grocery store is out of chicken, use this one.
Yeah. Onion.
Ew, put ooh on that one.
Put
Look at it.
Yeah.
Can I cut that off?
Yeah. The knife's right in there. It should slice right through it.
Yes, the chicken's brain up.
Lemon pepper.
Where is
It's
it,
not
Mom?
the chicken's brain.
Where is it?
It's just fat.
Once our chicken was all cooked, we're going to add in half a bag of whole wheat elbow pasta. Then we're going to pour in a couple of cups of chicken broth, just enough to cover all the noodles so they cook fully while it's simmering. Then we'll put on the lid and we'll just let this simmer for the time the noodles call for on the package. Once our noodles were tender, we added in about 1/3 cup of heavy cream and half a block of shredded New York sharp cheddar cheese. And to go with our chicken helper on this night, we're just opening another one of those bacon Caesar salad kits. This turned out really good, and it was perfect with that salad, and we'll definitely be making this again. After dinner, we sat down to watch the latest episode of Walker and just spent some time together before the boys had to go to bed. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.